ça fume bien. Bon.
One of the cool things we get to do with lavender is not just the oil, we also get to have beehives in all of our fields. And the bees produce an amazing lavender honey.
Ça, tu vois comme il est joli, clair, ça c'est du miel de la vanille.
Our honey is so delicious because we take great care of our bees. In almost all the equipment, we've installed bee brushes, so it actually pushes bees away so they don't get harmed. We never take all of the honey. We always leave enough so that the bees can survive well through winter. We always have a little bit of varieties of other plants so that they can survive not only on lavender, but on other flowers also at different times of the year. And that means we never have to feed them sugar water and we never have to move the hives. All of those little things make that our bees are really doing well and we get an amazing honey.
Qui c'est qui veut goûter? Appuie, appuie bien. Voilà.
Serious? There you go. Lavender honey crystallizes into a very white honey. And this honey actually won best honey in France 1 year and silver 2 years. It shifted from, being a culture of just having bees in our lavender field to protecting this heritage of beekeeping. Wild bees are an important part of the ecosystem. So I feel like we have a gain from those bees, so it's our job to protect them.